Welcome back to Waranga Visit channel! Yay! I am so happy to have you. So today we have a very interesting content. So a friend of mine DM'd me and she told me she wanted a review of the kind of makeup brushes like a beginner should use. And hey, I had to buy new brushes. So that I can tell you, one, the price, and number two, so that we can review together and know the kind of brush. Ukienda kununua, ujue the kind of brush to buy. The things I have, they are very original. We are going to do a makeup brush haul because I just bought them today. Like today, I invested for the sake of this content and I thank God for his provision. So, here is the package. I only bought, I bought a foundation brush. As you can see by the price, it's 300 and it's original. It is original, like original. And then I bought this set. It goes for 200 shillings and it is original. And this is why I want to show you like kwa nini nasema ni original. So we will start with our foundation brush. Tutaifungua. So total, the total for these brushes is 500. It is worthwhile. Kuna brushes zingine zinakuja a whole set and it's 250. Lakini please usinunue yo. This is because they are bristles. There are bristles. Hizo brushes ziko weak, like zina move wana. But when you have this is the best. It is original. So kama wewe ni beginner, ukiwa na your 500, you have one of the best and original makeup brushes. These ones will last you. They will last you. So we are going to review our foundation brush. Like nimeka hivi nikaanza ku notice, by the way, I love pink. So even though inakaa like ona, wait, see. It is stiff, it is angled. You know, the best thing about this brush is that it is angled. It is not round. So when I want to reach this part of my eye, look how simple it is. Unaona? Like if I want to reach these corners of my eye, it is very simple. If I want to reach at my nose, like it is angled. It is very angled. I am really anxious to try these brushes, but in my next video I'm gonna try it. The good thing about this brush, it is even written hapa, angled bristles are perfect for hard to reach spots near eyes and nose. So it is perfect to reach for these hard areas near the eyes hapo and near the nose hapo. Like it is easy to use this foundation brush. And then its bristles, like si rahisi, kuna hizi brushes zingine ukifanya ina bend ujinga, but this one it bends, yes, it will spread your foundation vizuri, yes, but its bristles are firm. Like ukipaka, you have control. Like you have control when you use this brush. But when you go for bristles that they move virahisi, like unafanya hivi ka kimeinama hivi yote, hautakuwa na control. But the best thing about this foundation brush is that you will have control. So look, like unaona, you have control over what you're doing. I am really excited. Like I am really excited. I can't wait to use this brush. And then we will go to the next one. So there are other pairs of this kind of brushes. Zinakujanga na hadi kichanuo ya eyebrows, please. I bought those when I was a beginner and hapana. Their bristles are not strong and firm. So the key is getting bristles that are strong and firm. So we are going to open this up and I'm going to do a review and explain which brush ni ya nini, ingine ni ya nini. So wacha tufungue. So here they are. And I'm going to explain step by step. Now, kwa hii brush utaona, you see it is angled. Can you see? Imeenda hivi downwards. Imeenda hivi downwards. Angalia. Imeenda hivi downwards. So the good thing about this kind of a brush, you use it while you have, like, unaona ukishafanya your eyebrows, you place it hivi ikiwa angled. This is how we clean our eyebrows using this type of brush. So when you see an angled flat brush, this is for eyebrows only, like for concealing your eyebrows only. Hapa chini na hapa juu only. Then there's this angled eyebrow brush, and there's also a round brush. So most of the makeup artists, they advise you to go for a round brush, especially if you are not yet kama bado like hujajua kutumia brushes. I also advise you to use this round brush, because this one angled brush ukishakuwa stereo ndo unaanzanga kutumia hii. Once you are used to concealing your eyebrows, you start using the angled brush because it will be quick and fast. But if you're not yet a pro in concealing your eyebrows, I advise you to go for this round flat eyebrow brush. So this is how it looks. It is round. I feel like I'm wrapping. It is round hivyo. The good thing about this thing is that you si lazima ufuate shape ya brush. You don't have to follow the shape of the brush. So you can just conceal. Let me show you. Like you see. You can conceal your own style. This one limits you. You have to put it hivyo. Like ni lazima uiweke na stingo enye brush iko. But the good thing about this brush, you are the one with the control. You can use it however you want to just conceal your eyebrows like that. The next brush is this. Now this one is very, very key and very, very important for a concealing brush. This kind of a brush is a concealing brush. I don't know if you guys can see. This one is very good for using it as a concealer brush. Let's say I'm going to do a demo. We have our concealer and I want to conceal my under eye. So this is what I'm going to do when I want to conceal my under eye. I'm going to use this concealer brush. This is how it looks. It looks round, but it is fuller. It is not flat. The difference between this and this is that this one is flat. No. This one is flat and this one is round. Like it is round all over. Juu na sideways. It is round and fuller, and its bristles are tough venye nilikuwa nawaambia. It doesn't bend wana si kama easy fake ones. So kindly get these brushes. 200 shillings only. So we are going to do a demo. There we have our concealer, and this is how we're going to work. Once you have applied your concealer, go over with your foundation brush just to gently pat to make sure it ingie ndani ya skin. Don't brush it away, just push it in. Make sure there are no harsh lines. So that's how we look. I'm being forced to, I'll have to conceal this other side because ina notisika sina concealer on this side. So I'm going to highlight my other part, my other eye quickly. You can see how this brush blends perfectly. So I went ahead and completed doing the concealer. Remember, it is round all over, round up and sideways. This is the concealer brush, and then my next brush is my contour brush. Where are you guys? Kindly. Yeah, this one is my contour brush. It is completely flat but fuller than the rest of my two eyebrow brushes. So the good thing about this flat contour brush is that it will be so easy for me to get that exact straight line when I am contouring my nose. So this one is perfect for that job. And then lastly, we have two remaining brushes, and these two I'm going to use them for my eyeshadow. So you can use it to do your transition color or anything. I'm going to use these two brushes as my eyeshadow brushes. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to get these brushes. They only cost 200 shillings, and they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 brushes at 200, and the foundation brush at 300 shillings. So thank you so much for watching, guys. This is the end of my video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share it to your friends.